Hello, good evening. So today we are going to discuss about values of trigonometric ratios of typical angles. So how to find the values of trigonometric ratios of typical angle. So for example, sine 15 degree. Sine 15 degree is equal to, we can write here, sine 45 degree minus 30 degree. So we know the formula of sine A minus B. Sine A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So sine 45 degree minus sine 30 degree is sine 40 minus 30 degree equal to sine 45 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree into sine 30 degree. So sine 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 degree 1 by root 5 into sine 30 degree 1 by 2. So root 3 into 1 root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So final value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And now to find cos for 15 degree value. So cos 15 equal to cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. So we know the formula of cos A minus B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos 45 degree equal to cos 15 degree equal to cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. So cos 45 degree into cos 30 degree minus sin 45 degree into sin 30 degree. So cos 45 degree means 1 by root 2 and cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. And so A cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this value is plus, not negative. So 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2 and sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So we can write here root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, that is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So cos 15 degree equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And then how to find tan 15 degree value. Tan 15 degree equal to tan 60 degree minus 45 degree. So tan 60, we know that tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So tan 60 degree minus tan 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan 60 degree into tan 45 degree. So tan 60 degree value is root 3 minus tan 45 degree is 1 and 1 plus root 3 into, because tan 60 is root 3 and tan 45 degree is 1. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 and 1 plus root 3, both are same, so we can write here root 3 plus 1. After this we can rationalize this value, so multiply root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So numerator value is root 3 minus 1 whole square divided by denominator value is root 3 square minus 1 square. So root 3 minus 1 whole square is root 3 square means 3, and then 1 square is 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by root 3 square is 3 minus 1. So we can write here 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, and then take common 2, then 1 minus after this we can write here 2 common, and then 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. So 2 by 2 cancel, so final value is 2 minus root 3. So this is the value of tan 15 degree. And then how to find the value of tan 75 degree? Tan 75 degree equal to tan 30 degree plus 45 degree. So tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this is the formula of tan A plus B. So tan 30 degree plus 45 degree, tan 30 plus tan 45 degree divided by 1 minus tan 30 degree into tan 45 degree. So we know that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 plus, and tan 45 degree is 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 into 1. Tan 45 degree value is 1. So 1 plus root 3 divided by root 3, and then divided by root 3 again, root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So this root 3 and this root 3 cancel. So finally we can write here 1 plus root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1, and then rationalize denominator. So if you rationalize denominator, then we can multiply here root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is become root 3 plus 1 whole square. So root 3 plus 1 whole square is root 3 square. Root 3 square is 3, and then 1 square is 1, and then plus 2 root AB means 2 root 3 into 1. So 2 root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1, and root 3 plus 1 is root 3 square means 3 minus 1, square is 1. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So we can take common here. So 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. So 2 is cancelled. So final value is 2 plus root 3. So tan 75 degree equal to 2 plus root 3. And if tan 75 degree is equal to 2 plus root 3, and the next value of sine 18 degree, value of sine 18 degree. So how to find the value of sine 18 degree? If you consider, so let us consider theta is equal to 18 degree. If theta is 18 degree, if you multiply this theta with 5 both side, and this side 5 theta and this side 18 degree into 5, so 5 theta is equal to 90 degree. We know 5 theta is equal to 3 theta plus 2 theta. We can write here 5 theta equal to 3 theta plus 2 theta, that is equal to 90 degree. So we can write here 2 theta is equal to 90 degree minus 3 theta. and then हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, साइन थीटा फाइंड कर रहे हैं. सो मल्टीप्लाई साइन थीटा बोथ साइड. सो साइन 2 theta, साइन ऑफ 2 theta इज इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ 90 minus 3 theta. So we know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sin 2 theta is equal to sin 90 minus 3 theta cos 3 theta. We know the formula of cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta, and sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So if you take common in right hand side cos theta, so 4 cos square theta minus 3, and this side LHS side 2 sin theta cos theta. So cos theta is cancelled. So we can write here 2 sin theta is equal to 4 into, convert into sin square form. So how to convert? Cos square theta equal to, we know, 1 minus sin square theta. This is identity. And then we can write here minus 3. So 2 sin theta is equal to 4 into 1 minus 3. So 4 into 1 minus, so we can write here 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3. So 4 sin square theta minus 3 is 1 minus 4 sin square theta. So if 4 sin square minus 4 sin square theta come that side, means LHS side, so this value become plus 4 sin square theta, and then before 2 sin theta plus is there, so we can write here plus 2 sin theta, and right hand side before 1 plus sign is there, so 1 comes left hand side, this value become negative, so minus 1 is equal to 0. And then we know Sridharachary's formula. So according to Sridharachary's formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a. So we can write here in place of x sin theta. Sin theta is equal to minus b, means minus 2 plus minus root of d equal to b square minus 4ac. So we can consider b is equal to 2. So 2 square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is minus 1 divided by 2 into 4. So sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square is 4 minus 4 4 is 16 into minus 1. So plus 16 divided by 2 4 is, we can write here 2 into 4, no problem. Then sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus minus root 20 divided by 2 into 4, and then sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus minus root 20 is equal to root 4 into 5. Root 4 means root 2 into 5. So 2 into 2 means one pair is there. If one pair is there, then one number is automatically out from this root. So we can write here 2 root 5. Root 20 is 2 root 5. So 2 root 5 divided by 2 into 4. And then we can take common 2. So if you take common, then this value become minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2 into 4. So 2 is cancelled. So sin theta has 2 value. But we know that in first quadrant, this is the first quadrant, sin theta is always positive. So theta is equal to 18 degree. So this theta is lie in first quadrant. So we consider only plus value. So sin in place of theta we can write here 18 degree. So sine 18 degree is equal to -1 plus root 5 by 4. So this value we can write here root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this is the value of sine 18 degree. So how to find the value of cos 18 degree? So we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta, and cos theta is equal to plus minus root of 1 minus sine square theta. So if you consider theta is equal to 18, means cos theta is lying in first quadrant. So in first quadrant cos theta is also positive value. So only we can consider here cos theta is equal to plus root 1 minus sine square theta, because my cos theta is positive in first quadrant. So root of 1 minus sine 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square, because sine square theta cos 18 degree. So cos 18 degree is equal to root of 1 minus root 5 square is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So cos 18 degree is equal to root of 16 minus 516 and minus plus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So cos 18 is equal to root 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by root 16 is equal to 4. So cos 18 degree is equal to root 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. And then cos 36 degree. So how to find the value of cos 36 degree? So we know cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So cos, if theta is equal to 18 degree, then cos 2 into 18 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square 18 degree. So 1 minus 2 cos square 18 degree. Cos 18 value is cos 36 degree is equal to, we know that cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So if theta is equal to 18 degree, cos 2 into 18 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sine 18 degree, sine square 18 degree. So 1 minus sine 18 degree, we know that the value sine 18 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So 1 minus 2 into root 5 plus root 5 square is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16, because a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and then numerator nothing is there, so we can consider here 1. So 16 minus 2 into 516 and minus plus 4 root 5 divided by 16. So 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4 plus 4 root 5 divided by 16. If you take common 4, this value is become 1 plus root 5 by 16. So 4 4 is 16. So final answer is 1 plus root 5 by 4. So cos 36 degree is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 4. So sine 36 degree equal to what? So we know that sine square 36 degree is equal to 1 minus cos square 36 degree. So 1 minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 whole square. So we can write here 1 minus 1 square plus root 5 square 5 plus 2 root 5 divided by 16. And numerator 1 by 1 we can write here. So 16 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So 16 minus 6 is 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So sine theta, this is sine square 36 degree. So sine 36 degree is equal to root of 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So sine 36 degree is equal to root 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Sine 36 degree is in first quadrant, so this root's value is positive, not negative. So we can write here sine 36 degree is equal to root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. And then sine 54 degree. Sine 54 degree is equal to sine 90 minus 36 degree. So 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos 36 degree. So cos 36 degree value we know root 5 plus 1 by 4. And then cos 54 degree is equal to cos 90 minus 36 degree. So cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So sin 36 degree 1 by 4 into root 10 minus 2 root 5 we can write here, because sin 30 degree value you know. And then last one is tan 7 whole 1 by 2 degree.